In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money with Zelle in the PNC app. If you're someone who wants to quickly, securely, and conveniently send money to friends or family using your mobile phone, then this guide is for you. We'll walk through everything you need to know step by step to make sending money as seamless as possible. Before we dive into the actual process, let's talk about what you'll need. Make sure you have a PNC checking account or another eligible account and access to PNC online or mobile banking. It's crucial to have the PNC mobile app installed on your phone. Your mobile number or email should already be registered with Zelle, a step known as enrollment. You'll also want to have the recipient's US mobile number or email address on hand, essentially the contact they use with Zelle. A quick heads up, if it's your first time sending money this way, be prepared to verify your identity. This could be through a PIN or a one-time passcode. Now let's move into the process of actually sending money. Begin by logging into the PNC Mobile app using your online banking credentials. Once inside, navigate to the menu or home screen and tap on Send Money with Zelle. If you haven't yet enrolled with Zelle, you might see prompts such as Get Started or Enroll with Zelle, guiding you through the necessary setup. Assuming you've followed these steps, you'll simply proceed to enter the amount you wish to send and confirm the recipient's details. Once everything looks correct, go ahead and send your payment. The app will provide you with a confirmation once the process is complete, offering peace of mind that your money is on its way. Before we wrap up, here are some important things to keep in mind. Transfers using Zelle typically complete within minutes if the recipient is already enrolled. However, if they aren't yet enrolled, they will receive a notification prompting them to set up their account. It's important to note that if they do not enroll within 14 days, the payment may expire and return to your account. Also, PNC does not charge any fees for sending or receiving money via Zelle in its mobile app, which is a nice perk to take advantage of. You might experience sending limits, either daily or weekly, accessible for review in the PNC app. Finally, and this is crucial, always double check the recipient's email address or phone number before sending payments. Zelle transactions are often irreversible once sent, so accuracy is key. And keep in mind, Zelle is only available within the US banking system. That's it for today's guide on sending money with Zelle through the PNC app. Follow these steps and tips and you'll be able to manage your financial transactions smoothly with just a few taps. Thanks for watching and happy sending.